Hello, everybody, Angel here. We have this cyber power mouse that came with my cyberpower PC. Good little mouse, good gaming mouse. It has had some problems. These buttons broke. These buttons did break, and I had to take them apart. And they forgot to even glue these buttons to the proper support. And plus, that they were melted inside of here. It was like it was really poor manufacturing, so I had to melt them back the right way, glue them down, fix that. Everything works on this mouse very well up until yesterday. I noticed that the mouse is doing some weird stuff. And you can adjust the DPI right here. You can adjust the different DPIs. And I noticed that the mouse cursor would just constantly move, or the mouse would click on stuff when I'm not clicking on anything. And it got really bad in one of my streams when I was trying to swipe across it on a Android game. Basically, it was where you would swipe across on a mini game inside, and it would not recognize me swiping. So yeah, the mouse has some weird failures, and the latest one was today. I went to go turn it on because I went to go do something, and the mouse cursor did not move. So that brings me on to the replacement mouse. I couldn't find no wireless mouses at Walmart because, well, Walmart was inherently cheap on their mouses, and they're still selling the exact same Logitech wireless mouses that I've always had issues with. So this was for $20, and I had $20. So yeah, I figured it's cheap. I need a mouse, and I can't wait for shipping because of Christmas time and because of the winter storm. So, and I have to do my nails for Christmas too, by the way. Well, Walmart, if I have something to be told here, that a lot of computers don't have optical disk drive. So the light settings off. You honestly don't need the software. It just works. It just automatically starts downloading stuff. No website. No nothing. It just starts downloading. Is it updating the firmware? Okay then. We have firmware updates for a mouse. That's more than the cyberpower mouse did. Okay, hardware. It's updating the mouse. I wasn't expecting that out of a cheap, $20 mouse. Apparently you may need the software. And apparently it's downloading it from a dial-up server. Let's look at the on-brand Walmart gaming mouse. Pretty nifty. You can use it without the software, but you can also use it with the software. It gives you a lot more options and customizations, but it's just really up to you. The software is not needed to use the mouse though, because it's automatically set DPI. You can change the colors, and this is set to forward and backwards by default. So yeah, anyways, take care everybody. Peace, love, and hugs, and be kind to each other. I love you all.